Hi there, I'm meteorologist Wesley Williams from UpperMichiganSource.com with your weather on demand. But we're going to change gears for a moment and talk about the warm weather that we saw recently and if that means we'll see a hot summer coming up. I did some research over the last 5 years of weather data in Upper Michigan, and here's what I found during my investigation. I looked at how early the warm weather set in and then compared to see how the summer wound up after the warm weather. And when I say warm weather, I mean the first time that you see 2 or more days that had 70-degree temperatures or warmer. Now in 2007, that happened the earliest out of the last 5 years in late April. The summer that followed was hot and very dry. The second earliest start to the warm weather happened in 2010, late April, early May. But the summer that followed was also hot and wet this time. So that's the 2 earliest, and they're both hot summers that followed. Now we're getting into the middle grounds of things. 2011, it started out the warm weather in mid to late May, and the summer that followed that was hot and dry. Now we're getting into the later starts of those warm weather trends. 2008 didn't start up the warm weather until early June. The summer that followed was not hot. It was only normal for the temperatures, and the summer was dry. Now as we head into the latest start for the warm weather, that happened in 2009. It did not start up the warm weather until mid-June. The summer that followed was actually the coldest of the last 5 years, and it was slightly dry. So while it doesn't tell us too much about the precipitation, it does tell us that the later the start to the warm weather, the colder the following summer will be, and the earlier the start to the warm weather, the hotter the summer will be. And if you notice this year, we had hot weather already in March. We had 70s and 80s, so that could be a precursor to a hot summer based on the last 5 years of weather data in the UP. Now look at what we saw yesterday. Rain around the area. Not that much from this rain system, only about a tenth or a couple of tenths near Marquette, and just under that in Norway. Everyone else saw a tenth or less around the area. We continue to see rain push up from the south, and it will bring us a chance for those rain showers today across Upper Michigan, thanks to that spinning upper level low down to our south. So today's forecast calls for a chance for rain showers out there. Your temperatures into the upper 50s, near 60 degrees once you head towards the western UP. East-southeasterly winds up to 15 miles per hour means it could get a little breezy at times today. Then tonight, any Friday evening plans out there, you'll need the umbrella and the raincoat because it's going to still be having a chance for those rain showers. 40s for your lows with the winds somewhat calming down to 6 to 12 miles per hour, but still out of the east. Your TV 6-day forecast. We have a cooling trend still in place. If you think it's cold now compared to earlier this week, wait until Monday when the highs drop down to the 40s. We'll have plenty of sunshine, at least that'll help us to keep warm.